Yeah, we're back again. What do we have here? We have the Nokia X6, or you call it the 6.1 Plus. So Nokia have been doing some great things with their devices. I think they are all back to the top five smartphone vendors, which is awesome. But for feature phones, they are still number one. So let's just dive into the box. This is basically an unboxing to let us know what is inside, and I'll show you a little bit of the interface. I don't think I'm keeping this device actually. Definitely, we all know my love is Nokia, and I'm going back to them. Yeah, you will see this here. This came with the box because we actually got the Chinese version, not the global version. So, what we have from here, it has a 5.8-inch screen, full HD. Then the camera is a 60 megapixel camera, AI, dual side. That means it has dual camera at the back, Snapdragon 636 processor. So let's just dive into the box and see what we have. And from here, I think this is the actual size of the phone, and as you can see, it's an edge to edge display with a chin and a notch. Most people don't like the notch, but from my use of the iPhone X, I'll tell you the notch gets away as soon as you start using the phone. So let's go back down into the okay. So we have the phone here. This is the black color, but let's keep that aside. Let's find out what else is in the box. These guys are good enough to give us a clear case. This comes with most Chinese brands, as in Chinese phones are sold in China. Most of them come with clear case, but don't get angry if you don't see this in the global version. Then this is the SIM eject tool, which is hidden here. Then this is the normal styling package of the Nokia devices. Oh, before we do this, let's just go. These are the normal, what they call them, manual quick start guide. But as you can see, most of them are written in Chinese. So let's just keep that aside. Then what do we have in here? We have the charging brick, which also has the two-prong mount, which is not normal, and I guess that's why it came with this. So let's see how fast does this thing go. 2 amps. That means it's actually a pretty fast charger. Keep that aside. What else is in here? I guess it should be Type C. Yes, it's a Type C. It's a Type C cable. That means we get fast charging out of the box. But let's keep all these things to one side and concentrate mainly on the device. Here I've powered it on and I've tried to do some setup. So this is basically the device for you. Because of the flap is still kind of jittery, but what we have here from the let me just try and pull it out of the island. Okay, yep, as you can see, the screen is actually pretty vivid, and I like the way, some good brightness. I like the way Nokia handled this. I don't know if other Android devices handle it like this, but as you can see, all the notifications are to one pane, and as they keep coming, they move to the other side of the notch. So we have our dual cameras on the back, 60 megapixel. We have a dual tone flash, and we have the fingerprint sensor at the back. The back is actually glass. So as you can see, it's a fingerprint magnet. These are the issues with our glass devices. Then we have Gorilla Glass in front, and now it's already upgraded to Android 9, and that's one of the sweet things about Android Nokia Android devices. Most of them coming out now, they're on the Android 1 program. That means you get fast updates, not pixel fast update, but pretty fast. This is already on Android 9, and there are very few devices down Android 9 already. And from what the initial looks, the camera looks great, pretty clear, pretty decent, and the interface of the camera, there's so much you can do with the interface of this camera, like the dual sights and all that. So it's a go-to device, and I would say for the price this came in, it's actually a fantastic price. And I don't know, I haven't used it for a while, so I can't tell you a device you won't regret. But from my initial looks, like as you can see, it has a glance screen. So from my initial look and use, it's snappy, has not slowed down on me, fast charging. So stay tuned. If, like I always say, if I hold on to this, I give you a review. But anyhow it goes, I'll let you know how the device is performing. Keep watching, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you.